So, Luke chapter 6, verses 12 to 16. One of those days, Jesus went out on a mountainside to pray, and he spent the night praying to God. And when morning came, he called his disciples to him and chose 12 of them, whom he also designated apostles. Simon, who he named Peter, and his brother Andrew, James, John, Philip, Bartholomew, also known as Nathanael, Matthew, Thomas, James, son of Alphaeus, Judas, son of James, Simon, who is called the Zealot, and Judas Iscariot, who became a traitor. We saw before in a previous episode about how Jesus liked to go off by himself to pray. And Peter interrupted him and said, "Yeah, everyone's looking for you. What are you doing?" But at this time it was consequential. Perhaps he wrote down a list of the names and all those who were following him. Remember, he wasn't followed just by 12 at this point. He had many followers, both men and women. And he would have thought long and hard about who his 12 were to be. And he designated them apostles, and apostles means a sent one. So in Roman times, they would have sent someone ahead to a city to say, the Roman Empire is coming. Get ready. Make yourself ready for the new kingdom that's about to arrive. And the Romans would come in and usually conquer the place and set up all their tax rules and regulations, and all their merchants would come in and they'd sweep aside the existing laws of the place and put in Roman rule, known as Pax Romana. And the people who went into the city ahead of time were called apostles, the sent ones, those who'd come to say to the people, the Romans are coming, get ready. And in the same way, these were people who were saying, the kingdom of God is coming, get ready, prepare yourselves, because here comes a kingdom that you've never seen the like of. So here Jesus was deciding who would be closest to him. Those he would explain the parables to, those with whom he would break bread, those who would write his messages, words and deeds down in perpetuity. People like John and Matthew. And of course, one of those he wrote down was Judas Iscariot, the keeper of the money box.